The midpoint theorem states that the line joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and equal to half the length of the third side. So what does this mean exactly? Well, let's start by drawing a triangle, and we can name it A, B, C. Now let's plot a point halfway down of side AB. Let's call it D. D is the midpoint of AB, so AD is equal to DB. Let's put a small line on AD and a small line on DB to show that they are equal in length. Now let's plot another point halfway down AC. Let's call it E. E is the midpoint of side AC, so AE is equal to EC. We can put two small lines on AE and two small lines on EC to show that they are equal in length. Now we can draw a straight line from midpoint D to midpoint E. According to the midpoint theorem, because D is the midpoint of AB over here, and E is the midpoint of AC, DE is parallel to BC, the bottom of the triangle. So let's put an arrow on DE and an arrow on BC to show that these lines are parallel. The midpoint theorem also states that the length of DE is half the length of BC. When working with this theorem, as our reason, we say midpoint theorem.